Hi guys. Okay, so in this video, we are looking at the homework problems from chapter 9 solutions, and these problems in this video relate to molarity. So that is problem 43, 45, and 47. Okay, so here we have 43, calculate the molarity. So you know the molarity, the formula of molarity is M is equal to moles of the solute, over the volume of the solution, and that volume has to be in liters. Okay, liters. So moles per liter. That is the molarity. Okay, so here you are given a very simple question. You're given a glucose, which is like, of course, a sugar. So 2 moles of glucose, 2 moles glucose, and glucose is a is acting as a solute over 4 liters of the sugar solution. So 2 divided by 4. So that is 2 divided by 4, and that is equal to 0.5. And always write the unit M. M stands for molarity. Okay. Now let's look at the next question, which is in, sorry, 1 second. Just want to move this a little further. Okay, calculate the grams of the solute. Calculate the grams of the solute. So here you are given NaOH. Okay, now we know molarity formula once again. Always write down the molarity. Molarity is equal to moles per liter. Commonly it's stated like that, moles per liter. So just keep this in mind that liters applies to the solution, and the volume of the solution, and the moles applies to the solute. Solute is smaller amount and the solvent is the larger amount, but solute plus solvent make the solution. Anyway, so here we have the volume is given to us, the molarity is given, and we are trying, and they're asking us to find the grams. So what is the strategy? So first find the moles of NaOH. Okay, we know the molarity, we know the liters, we can find the moles. Next is you're going to convert the moles of NaOH to grams, because the question wants you to get it in grams. So in this case, we would need the molar mass also for this conversion. Molar mass of NaOH. So what is that molar mass of NaOH? 1 sodium, 1 oxygen, and 1 hydrogen. Okay, sodium is 23 grams, oxygen is 16, and hydrogen is 1. So all this adds up. So 16, 23 plus 16 plus 1, 23, 16 and 1, 16, 7, 10. So 2, 3, 4, 40 grams per mole. So this is the molar mass of sodium hydroxide. Okay, so what is the formula after you do the conversion? Moles is equal to molarity times volume in liters. Okay, so that's the volume, solution volume. Okay, now, so moles of NaOH is equal to the molarity. The given molarity is 1.5 m, 1.5 m times the volume. The volume is 2.00 liters. Now, in this case, liters is given, but if milliliters is given, you need to convert it into liters. Okay, so 1.5 times 2, and you get 3. So this is 3.0 moles, and these are the moles of NaOH. So N, so it's okay to put it like this, NaOH. But the question is asking us how many grams is that? So you will convert that in the next step. You take the moles of NaOH, which is 3.0 moles of NaOH times the grams, 40 grams of NaOH over 1 mole of NaOH. And here you see, you are canceling out the moles of NaOH, and you get the grams as 3 4s are 12, 120 grams of NaOH. Okay, so that's the answer. Let's look at it at the back. So I'm going to check this one also. 43. 43A is 0.5, molar. So this is correct. And then the next one was 45A. 45A is 120 grams of NaOH. Okay, now this is all given. Next is 47. 47, I'm doing part C, 47C, okay, for calcium nitrate. Now here we need to calculate the volume, okay. So same thing, write down the formula. Molarity is equal to moles of the solute per liter of the solvent, okay. So volume in liters of the solvent. Moles, let me write this properly. Moles per liter. And volume in solvent. Okay, now here we need to find the volume. So interconversion, like volume in liters is equal to moles, given moles over the molarity. Okay, and the next thing would be, this is going to give you the volume in liters. So let's write this down here. Moles is 0.0500 moles over molarity, which is 0.800 m, and that's a calcium nitrate solution. So we have here 0.0500, divide that by 0.800, and you get 0.0625 liters. Now the question is asking you, find the volume in milliliters. So we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters, right? So 1 liter over 1000 milliliter, or 1000 milliliter over 1 liter. So convert this 0.0625, okay, liters, multiply by 1000 milliliters over 1 liters. So when you do that, it cancels out the liters and you're just left with the milliliters. So 0.0625 times 1000, and that gives you 62.5 milliliters. All right, so that is the volume, is 62.5 milliliters. Okay, that's the answer, and I checked it. This is correct. All right. All right, next we are looking at the solution stoichiometry in the next chapter, in the next video. All right, thank you for watching.